Whether you're buying or selling a home, you know you have to call those Callaways because they are going to get you into your perfect home. But we do have an amazing one to hear about today, and we have Kelly Callaway.
Hi, Tiffany.
Good. Hi, how are you?
Good. I have a wonderful home today. It's in Rancho Saguaro in 85254.
Yay.
At 5420 East Corrine.
Oh, nice.
And this is a wonderful home. It has a half circular driveway, which I love. Wood floors in the family room, living room, and dining room.
Oh,
a remodeled kitchen with cherry cabinets and gorgeous granite and stainless steel appliances. The backyard on this home is amazing. It's got a fenced pool, a grass area, a long patio to relax on. So it's got something for everybody.
That sounds gorgeous.
And it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with an extra den.
Oh, that's
so
nice.
It's got room for anything that you need in it, and this home is wonderful.
Well, and then it's always the question, okay, what does a home like this actually go for?
This home is listed at $625.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
In our favorite zip code
in our
everything.
favorite zip code and on a wonderful street.
Okay, well, people need to jump on this one because the fact that it's got the Scottsdale address, Phoenix Homes, PV school districts, there's like win-win all around in there. You know how much I love it.
I know, us too.
So, and I'm always saying, if this isn't the home for them or if they can't get in fast enough for this, I know you can help them find their perfect home.
We look forward to it.
Well, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Tiffany.